Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Italian cuisine to uncover a hidden gem, the Frico. You may have heard about it, but did you know there are some fascinating unknown facts about this traditional dish? Stick around as we unfold the secrets of Italian Frico. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty content. Let's get started. Frico, a dish hailing from the Friuli-Venezia Giulia region in northeastern Italy, is a delightful blend of cheese and crispy goodness. Typically made with Montasio cheese, let's talk about the first unknown fact. Cheese varieties. Did you know that there isn't just one type of Frico cheese? While Montasio is the classic choice, some regions use a combination of aged and fresh cheeses, creating a unique flavor profile. It's a cheese lover's dream come true. Now that we've explored the cheese variations, let's move on to our next hidden gem. Historical roots. Digging into the history of Frico, you'll find that its origins are deeply rooted in the pastoral lifestyle of the Friuli region. This dish was initially created by shepherds who needed a portable and energy-packed snack. The combination of cheese and heat created a crispy, long-lasting treat that sustained them during their journeys with the sheep. It's incredible how a humble dish can carry such a rich history, isn't it? As we continue our journey into the world of Frico, brace yourself for another surprising fact. Versatility. While Frico is traditionally a crispy cheese dish, it's surprisingly versatile. Italians love experimenting with ingredients, and you'll find variations of Frico that include potatoes, onions, or even herbs. It's amazing how this simple dish can be adapted to suit different tastes and preferences. Alright, folks, get ready for our final unknown fact about Italian Frico. Frico Festival. Did you know that there's a festival dedicated entirely to Frico? Yes, you heard it right. The Frico Festival takes place annually in the town of Illegio, where locals and visitors come together to celebrate this beloved dish. It's a fantastic event featuring cooking competitions, tastings, and a whole lot of cheesy fun. If you ever find yourself in the Friuli region, this is a must-attend for any food lover. Frico variations. While Montasio cheese is the star of Frico, did you know that different regions have their own spin on this classic? Some variations include smoked cheese or even a touch of wine for an extra layer of flavor. It's like a symphony of tastes that varies across Italy, keeping the Frico experience exciting and diverse. Now that we've explored the variations, let's dive into the surprising history of Frico. Shepherd snack. Shepherds in the rugged hills of Friuli, seeking a portable, energy-packed snack. Enter Frico. Originally created by shepherds, this crispy cheese concoction sustained them during their long journeys with the flock. It's a testament to how simple dishes can carry centuries of tradition and practicality. As we travel through time with Frico, let's uncover its unexpected versatility. Frico beyond cheese. Guess what? Frico isn't just about cheese. Italians love experimenting with ingredients, and you'll find versions of Frico that incorporate potatoes, onions, and herbs. It's a culinary canvas where chefs express their creativity, turning a traditional dish into a culinary masterpiece tailored to individual tastes. Alright, brace yourselves for our final surprising revelation about Frico. Frico Festival Extravaganza. Mark your calendars because there's a festival entirely dedicated to Frico. Every year, the town of Illegio comes alive with the Frico Festival, celebrating this cheesy delight. It's a foodie's dream. Cooking competitions, tastings, and a contagious atmosphere of joy. If you ever find yourself in Friuli, this festival is a must-attend for an unforgettable Frico experience. Art of Frico crafting. Crafting the perfect Frico is an art form. Did you know that the skill of a Frico maker is often measured by the thinness and crispiness of the cheese layer? It's a delicate dance between heat and timing that turns this dish into a crunchy masterpiece. The next time you enjoy Frico, appreciate the artistry that goes into creating that perfect balance. Now that we've peeled back the layers of Frico crafting, let's explore its deep-rooted connection to local traditions. Frico and local celebrations. Local celebrations in the charming villages of Friuli, where Frico takes center stage. During weddings, festivals, and special occasions, Frico is not just a dish, it's a symbol of communal joy and togetherness. The aroma of melting cheese wafting through the air adds a special touch to these festive moments, making Frico a cultural cornerstone. As we savor the communal spirit of Frico, let's dive into its surprising health benefits. And there you have it, the unknown facts of Italian Frico. From its diverse cheese varieties to its historical roots, versatility, and even its own festival, Frico is truly a remarkable dish. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Italian cuisine, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. Comment down below if you've ever tried Frico or if you have any other hidden food gems you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking! See you in the next video.